For the second time in 2 months, the governor of Kogi State has crossed another legal hurdle as a 5-man panel of the Court of Appeal unanimously affirmed his election. The day's proceedings began with the appeal filed by the Action People's Party, claiming unlawful exclusion by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. Without wasting time, the court endorsed the verdict of the Election Tribunal as it dismissed the appeals of the Action People's Party and Democratic People's Party due to their failure to provide evidence of validly nominating candidates for the election. The court also threw out the appeal of the Social Democratic Party for failing to substantiate its claim of corrupt practices during the election. Delivering judgment in the appeal filed by Mr. Musa Wada and the People's Democratic Party, the court held that the allegations of overvoting, multiple thumbprinting and results falsification were not proved by the appellants. Lawyer to Governor Yahaya Bello reacts to the decision of the court.
Major appeal is the PDP appeal, and the PDP appeal is quite simple. It was premised on majority of lawful votes, particularly that there was overvoting and alteration. However, unfortunately, the issue of multiple thumbprinting violence was abandoned by them. They were raised as grounds of corrupt practices and non-compliance. They, having elected to abandon those grounds, all the facts they pleaded went to no issue. So the evidence of the forensic evidence was held by the Court of Appeal to go to no issue.
But the battle seems not over yet for Governor Bello as the counsel to the PDP and the Social Democratic Party vow to appeal the judgment.
We will get a copy of the judgment, study it very well, and get further instruction from our client. But without saying further, he just instructed us that we should go on appeal. So we'll test the judgment on appeal.
It's a judgment of the court, and we will apply for the certified true copy of the judgment to look at it and then take an appropriate decision, because the Supreme Court is the final bus stop as far as this governorship election petition case is concerned.
Although a 3-man panel of the Kogi State Governorship Election Tribunal sitting in Abuja had on the 23rd of May 2020 delivered a split judgment of 2-1 to affirm Mr. Yahaya Bello's election, the appellants appear determined to explore their final right at the Supreme Court.